ಹಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ BBA ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಯೂನಿಟ್ನ 8ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಯೂಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. Uses of business information systems. There are a number of uses using of business information system in the organization. The use of business information systems are classified like this. The first one is business information systems for marketing and sales. The second one is business information systems for productions. Third one is business information system for accounting and finance. Next one is business information system for human resource management. Okay, right. Let us understand one by one. Business information system for marketing and sales. Marketing activities are directed towards planning, promoting, and selling goods and services to satisfy the needs of customers and the objectives of organizations. Marketing information system supports decision makings regarding the marketing mix. The 4 pieces of marketing mix, like products, price, promotion, place. The product subsystems helps the organizations to plan to introduce the new products. Continuously bringing the new products to markets is vital in today's competitive environments. The product subsystem should support the balancing the degree of risk in the overall new products portfolio with more aggressive competitors assuming higher the degree of risk for potentially higher payoff. Next is price subsystems. The pricing decisions find a degree of support from decision support systems and access to database that contain the industry prices. These highly unstructured decisions are made in pursuit of the company's pricing objectives. General strategies range from profit maximization to foregoing the part of the profit in order to increase the market share. Next is place subsystems. The place subsystems assist the decision makers in making the products available to customers at the right place at right time. The use of information technology has dramatically increased the availability of information's product movement in the distribution channel. Next is promotion subsystems. The promotion subsystems is most elaborate in the marketing information systems. It supports both personal selling and advertising. Media selections packages assist in selecting a mix of avenues to pursue the potential purchaser, including direct mail, television, print media, and electronic media, such as internet and web in particular. The effectiveness of selected media mix is monitored and its composition is continuously adjusted with the conditions. The next one is business information system for production. In the global competitive pressures, information society have been highly pronounced in manufacturing and have radically changed the new marketplace all for manufacturing. That means there are so many changes is taking place in the manufacturing with the help of the information technology. Manufacturing information subsystems are product designing and engineering, product scheduling, quality control, facilities planning, production costing, logistics, inventory subsystems. Next one is third one, business information system for accounting and finance. The financial function of the enterprises consists of in taking stock of the flow of money and other assets into and out of an organizations, ensuring that its available resources are properly used and that the organization is financially fit. The components of the accounting system includes accounting receivables records, account payables records, payroll records, inventory control records, general ledgers. Financial information systems rely on external resources such as online database and custom produced reports, particularly in the areas of financial forecasting and funds management. The essentials of financial information systems for firms like financial forecasting and planning, financial control, financial management, internal auditing. Next one is business information system for human resource management. A human resource information system supports the human resource functions of the organization with informations. The function reflects recognition that people who work in the firm are frequently most valuable resources for the organization. The complexity of human resource management has grown immensely over recent years, primarily due to the need to confront the employees in the organizations. Human resource information systems ensures appropriate degree of access to a great variety of internal stakeholders. Okay, these are the uses of business informations in the various departments of the organizations. Thank you.